Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix the Outlook errors on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. This is just a very simple tutorial. So first is we can try to open the Microsoft Outlook in a safe mode. So for that, press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. Or you can directly make a right click at the Start button and select Run. Now from here, you need to type outlook.exe space forward slash save. It's outlook.exe space forward slash save. Click on OK. Then you have to click on OK again. And this will bring up and open the Microsoft Outlook for you. And for the next method is we also need to make sure that our Microsoft Outlook is up to date or is updated, or we can update the Microsoft Outlook in case outdated Microsoft Outlook can cause the issue. So in the Windows search bar, type Outlook Classic, simply click on that. Now let me just close this Windows. So here we need to locate the File tab, which is at the top left corner, this one for the File tab. The first tab, the File tab, click on that. In the list of options on the left pane, you will find Office Account. Then here, you'll find the update options. So Microsoft 365 and Office products. This includes the Microsoft Outlook and all the Microsoft 365 Office product like the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and these icons right here. So click on the update options. Then here, you'll find this option Update Now. Click on that. And it will state you're up to date. The latest version of Microsoft 365 and Office are installed on your computer, which is a very good thing. Close out of here. Then we can also make some changes in the firewall settings. So in the Windows search bar, type Firewall. Windows Defender Firewall under the best match. Go ahead and click on that. Now click on the left pane, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then here you have to click on change settings so that we can edit the settings right here. Click on allow another app, click on browse. So we need to know the path of the Microsoft Outlook. So in the Windows search bar, type Outlook Classic. Make a right click, select open file location, and copy this path right here at the top. Close this window, paste it right here, click on this arrow, scroll down, and you'll find the Microsoft Outlook Classic. Click on that, click on open, then click on add. Now in my case, this is already added in the list of exceptions. So in your case, you have to click on the add button, and once added, then we need to make sure that for both the private and the public, this is allowed right here for the Outlook application. Now once ensured, click on OK. Then we can also repair the Microsoft Outlook, and that also means that we are going to repair the whole Microsoft 365 Office products. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on Apps, Installed Apps. But before we can go with this, we need to know what version of Microsoft Office do we have. So open any of the Microsoft 365 Office product. So in the Windows search bar, I'm going to open the Microsoft Word. Click on this File tab. Then here, click on the More option. Click on Account. So this is also on additional info. Now, the version of my Microsoft Office is Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021. Now, here we can find Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021. This includes the Microsoft 365 Office products like Outlook, Word, Excel, and so. So, click on the three dots, select Modify. Then here you'll find this option, these two options. You'll be asked how would you like to repair your Microsoft 365 and Office programs. Go with the quick repair first. Fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection. Click on Repair and click on the Repair button once again. And once the repair has been done, just make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. But if in some cases that the quick repair doesn't fix your issue, go back to the Settings window, click on Apps, Installed Apps. Look for the version of your Microsoft Office. Click on the three dots, select Modify. Then here you have to go with the online repair. If the quick repair doesn't work, you can go with online repair. Fixes all issues but takes a little longer and requires an internet connection. Again, it will take a little longer. Click on the repair button and you have to click on the repair button again, and you have to wait for the process to be done. And once done, you just need to restart your Windows again. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.